Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn your iCloud backup off. So all you have to do this is just go over to your settings on your iPhone, open it up. Then once you're under settings, you want to go to the top where it shows your Apple ID and your name, whatever your Apple ID name is at least. Just click on that at the very top. Then you want to scroll down to where it says iCloud. Click on iCloud. Then scroll down until you see iCloud backup. You can click on that there. And then right here at the very top, you can go ahead and untoggle that to turn it off. And then your iCloud backup will be turned off. And then, of course, if you want to turn it back on, just navigate back to the same area and just turn it back on. Very simple and easy to do. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.